Today, we're diving into the world of photo organization with a look at 3 of the best gallery apps for Android. If you're looking to manage your photo collection with ease and style, you're in the right place. Join us as we explore the unique features of each app to help you find the perfect solution for all your photo needs. Alright Gallery. Alright Gallery is a highly rated photo management app that offers a clean and user-friendly interface for organizing your images. It supports various media formats, allowing users to view photos, videos, and GIFs seamlessly. One of the standout features of Alright Gallery is its ability to create albums and categorize media for easy access. The app also includes a powerful search function, making it simple to find specific photos. Additionally, it offers tools for editing images and applying filters, making it a great all-in-one solution for managing and enhancing your photo collection. Gallery Android. Gallery Android is a straightforward and efficient app designed to enhance the default photo viewing experience on Android devices. It provides a smooth interface that allows users to browse through their images quickly. This gallery app supports various formats and offers features such as album creation, image tagging, and photo sharing. Users can also use it to sort images by date or location, making it easy to locate specific pictures. Gallery Android focuses on providing a no-frills, intuitive experience, making it ideal for users who prefer simplicity and efficiency in managing their photo libraries. Photo Gallery Elite. Photo Gallery Elite is a feature-rich gallery app that provides extensive tools for managing and viewing photos and videos. This app offers advanced features such as secure folders for private media, allowing users to protect sensitive images with a password. Photo Gallery Elite also includes slideshow capabilities, customizable themes, and sorting options, which enhance the overall user experience. Its interface is visually appealing and easy to navigate, making it suitable for both casual users and photography enthusiasts who need advanced organization and privacy features. Thanks for watching our video on the best gallery apps for Android. We hope these recommendations help you manage your photos more effectively and enjoyably. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more great content. See you next time.